Hey Hub Heroes, this is Jorge Fuentes from the Sidekick Strategies team, and today we're going to take a look at how to leverage the automated cleanup feature in HubSpot in order to clean up our marketing emails section. Check it out. So we're going to log into HubSpot, and then on the left hand side, we're going to go to marketing here and then go to email. Once we're in email, what we actually want to do is go to the email tools button here and then go to automate cleanup. And here's where we're going to set a criteria for automatically cleaning up and or archiving marketing emails that are either a draft, don't have a scheduled publishing date, and are also not being referenced to workflow. So if they meet all of that criteria, they'll be removed. And we're going to say that we're going to want that to happen for anything that meets that criteria in the last 3 months. We could even add additional filters. So for example, if I add a filter here, and then I'm going to say that the email was created by a specific user. Maybe let's actually do is any of myself here. I'm actually just going to leave that as criteria as well. And then look at that. We actually have 8 emails that meet that criteria right now. So they're actually either they're a draft, they don't have a scheduled publish date, and they also are not being used in workflow. So all of these can go, and I'm actually just gonna clean up and automate, and that's it. Now the cleanup is scheduled and we'll get a notification for that, and then that's pretty much how we set this up, and that's pretty much it. So that is how you would automate your marketing emails section cleanup by utilizing the automated cleanup of HubSpot by filtering with that criteria that we just saw. And do know that this feature can also be used across companies, deals, contacts as well. Pretty much any object, whether custom or default, that is in HubSpot can have an automated cleanup implemented via this method as well. Remember, education is great, but the execution is where it's at. So go out there and be the hub hero that your organization needs today.